Hello, I'm Michael and I come from North Wales in the United Kingdom, but I now live in Buriram, Thailand. I'm a qualified TEFL teacher and I've completed my 120 hours training and final exam. I have been teaching children and adults for many years in different areas of English language and business, so I can help you at whatever level you are in learning English. When I'm not teaching, I like to do many different things. I go cycling most days and also swimming, and I enjoy entering triathlons. Apart from that, I live on a small farm where we grow many fruit and vegetables for the family to eat. We grow bananas, mangoes, chilies, mushrooms, and many other things. And it's nice to relax and enjoy the farm. So hopefully you'll have a lesson and we can help you to develop your English. So have a good day. Bye for now.